Hey guys, today we're in the shop and we're going to be finishing up this trunk build. So right now we are in the mock-up stage for the Subaru, and I figure I would show you guys what we have going on. So you can see here we have a full false floor, but it's built in halves. So we'll just lift this up, and later on I'll show you guys how the enclosure and the amp rack is set up. In order to achieve this, what we've done is we will build pieces that go in, and then we'll build halves. So we can figure out what we need for spacing. Once we figured out this shape and this shape, we can then combine it onto one half, and then we flip it over to duplicate it to give us the trunk. So here you guys can see the enclosure. So we've curved it by just taking pieces of wood, shaving it down, and then using resin and Duraglass afterwards. And the reason why it looks so elaborate is because we're bracing it everywhere. This is the amp rack. It's screwed and glued to the face, and it has feet to pick up the weight. And then we keep shimming it and rounding everything over, so this thing sits really level in the car and nice and solid. Here's where our amp's gonna lay. So you keep it nice and simple, just two pieces of wood, shaved it down, resin Duraglass, reduce the amount of time for cure time if you were to fiberglass the whole thing. All right, all painted up and ready to go in the car. And the top is vinyl and the inside is painted. Okay, here it is all wired. So we like to use studs, that way we reduce any chances of having leaks, so we don't use terminal cups here. All ferruled and clamped. Making our fuse holder and nut and bolting everything. And here you can see our fuse holder. We're using the factory fasteners, and then it just runs with all the factory lines. So you guys can see we have the meth tank in right now, and we've gone ahead and I have Bondo edged everything because the fitment wasn't quite right. So by Bondo edging it, we can get everything nice and tight, similar to what we did on the 350Z. And there you guys have it. So we have our amp, just a little bit hint of it to show it off. Our subs are exposed, and then we have the meth tank installed, and then just a seam line down the center of the vehicle. We can see our fitment. Tyler and Adam helped me out. Tyler made the mount for the meth tank. Adam helped me with the extra design over here. And yeah, looks really good. On to the next one.